Ka HSPDP, kaweni ke parti benonlang haka sorkar jela, haka ngipalei, kalapan bena bakan pensawa kamjam no, ya ka jingdawa la ka jongka jela, tang nam taki kasi bejantia, lemba ka artikel 371, jongkari di sencar, jongkari India. Habe keren bat kila patai kubor, uba kepi pangyang presiden ke parti, ulai tu bakin trilang ber ke parti narilum garo, kum ka garo National Council, kimami syakmat, bandawa la ka jongka jela, nam taki pait garo.
At the same time, the party, we have raised and remind some important issues which has already highlighted in the manifesto of the party, like the issue of implementation of ILP in the state and the recognition of the Khasi language, then final settlement and demarcation of the long pending issue of interstate boundary dispute with Assam. Time and again we raise this issue again today. We will remind the government of the day to do the needful and to find final solution. At the same time, we reiterate our stand that no mining of uranium be the agenda in a state. This matter should be closed once for all. And lastly, we have discussed thoroughly to urge the government of the day, to urge the government of India to amend the Para 12AB of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. Means we want to replace the name of the President of India by the name the Governor of India, in such a way that our state government will have more power to protect our own land, to protect our own indigenous people, and any central law like the Forest Act, like the DMRR Act cannot be applied in the state of Meghalaya. So we urge the government of the day and the government of India to kindly amend this Para 12AB of 6th schedule to the Constitution of India, so that the state will get full power like the other state of Northeast, like Nagaland, state of Nagaland and Manipur in the Articles 371, so that at the same time we, the state of Meghalaya, under the so-called 6th schedule, we have enough power. Recognition of our Khasi language as part of the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India is one of the issue of the party. Is one of the program in our manifesto of the party. So we are happy to express that the government of the day has taken the positive response, since the government of the day has accepted the demand of all the NGOs, the agenda of all the political parties, especially HSPDP is the agenda to recognize this Khasi language in the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India. So today the meeting strongly endorse that the government of the day has taken positive response to this issue, but at the same time we demand and we urge the government of the day to take a final call with the government of India, so that the implementation or recognition of the Khasi language will be at the earliest as possible.